Hi guys, today we will talk about how to buy products on your eBay app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your eBay app. All you have to do, so just go up here, you click here on this sign, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, you come here to buy again here, will click, then it's going to take you here in this window, and here you can search for your product on. So we will click here on this product, for example, to see how can you buy this product here on your eBay app. So you just click here, and it's going to take you here, and you click here for this product here, then it's going to take you to next window. So like you see, product is going to show for you like this, and you just go down here, and here you can so you can choose your so cheap or white. So you just click here on buy it now, and you click here on OK. So then it's going to take you here to next window. So and here you add your information card, and it's going to, and you click here on continue. It's going to buy with you on your eBay app. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.